Here guys, we have a Goodman 15 series, and I'm going to switch the color around. I'm switching from left to right in the coil, and it's real simple. And the 15 series is have the track in the bottom, but it's also have a track on the top. And here is the grooves, and all you gotta do is you just remove it, turn it around, and slide it right into those tracks. Easy. Trying to sit this up here so I can slide it in, give you guys a demonstration. Can't see much, but hopefully you guys get the idea. Okay, let's see if we're gonna do this way, right here, turn around, and just line up the tracks with the grooves. Just like that. And there she goes. Now all I gotta do is put the door back on and get up in the attic into its still location. Now the pan is at the bottom where I want it to be. This is the 15 series. I don't know how it is on the other series, but this is the 15 series Goodman hair angler, and they make it real easy. I don't know if you guys can see the grooves on the track on both sides. They slide nice and easy. Okay guys, I hope you guys get the idea. And this is the 15 series Goodman hair angler.